Ooh, 2.5. Oh. Let him go. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another creek fishing video. In today's video, I'm gonna be trying out the Rebel lure kit. And this kit has a decent little variety. It's got a topwater popper on it. It's got, I want to say all three of these are going to be normal crankbaits, but you got a cricket or a grasshopper, and then you got a crawfish, and then you have a what looks like a little minnow. The whole point of this video is to see how good these lures are and see if I can catch a fish on each one. And I came here the other day and all of this was underwater. Like everything to this, where it starts getting green on the bank, it was all underwater. And we didn't catch that much that day except for one fish, and it was like 2 pounds, 5 ounces. But I'll show you all that real quick. Yeah. Oh, me? Mm-hmm. Oh, ooh.
Let me not do this right now.
Might be a bass. I think it is a bass. Don't go under that log. Come here.
That guy. Hell yeah. Can you hold your pole?
Yeah. That's not a bad one.
No. Not a bad one at all, actually.
He's got a belly on him.
Shit.
Ooh, 2.5.
Okay.
Ooh. All right, while y'all were watching that, I ran my line through my eyes, and now I gotta pick what I want to use first. I think I'm gonna go for the crawl first, because what fish doesn't want a nice crawl? All right, we've got the crawl on. Let's go see what it can do. This is actually the hole that we caught that 2-pounder out of this dead tree. Should see if he's still there. Still wants a crawl, because that's what I caught him on, was a little crawl. It casts pretty good. I got a 6-pound line on right now. I actually need to re-spool at some point. Oh. Bite it. There's a school of bass in front of me. A school. Hit it. Oh, there we go. Here we go on the crawl. Look at that. I saw him come up and get it. Whoa, he's pretty. Got him on the crawl. If I'm not mistaken, that or some kind of red breast. I don't really know my sunfish species a whole lot. I think he's a pumpkin seed. That's what I'm gonna say he is. You might not, but we'll just go with that. I want to say that was a pumpkin seed or a red breast. It was either one of those two. Watch it not be either. That'd be great. All right, so we got the little grasshopper on. Oh, where'd he go? Little grasshopper or a locust, crick hopper, whatever you want to call it. Got that on. See if that'll get anything. I'm glad I got that crawfish out of the way, because I was sure that would be the easiest one that they would bite. Went to the popper. They hit the popper a couple times, but none of them none of them actually fully ate it. Actually, one did. I couldn't get them in. Oh, a bass just missed him. See if I can get him again. Oh, there we go. There we go. Little bass. Man, this grasshopper really got him. That was quicker than the crawfish. But there we go. Grasshopper on the smallmouth. Not too bad. Not too bad. We're starting to pick up now. It's been only like maybe 7 minutes since I used the crawl. Got one on the crawl. Oh, there we go. Oh, I missed another one. Man, this crick hopper gets it. They like this. And also, one thing I don't think people really understand is small lures can catch some pretty big fish. Like that clip I showed y'all earlier on the 2-pounder that I caught. That was in this same creek with a little crawfish. Whoa, there's a turtle. Look at that. What are you? Huh. He's pretty cool. Oh, he don't like me. Oh. Let's go put him back real quick. And while we're at it, we'll go ahead and switch to our next lure. Alright, so now we've got this little minnow on. It's got a little rattle action in it. I've actually caught a couple more fish today than y'all have seen, but I switched up to the Helgermite just to see if they were biting. But that's not a part of today's challenge. Today's challenge is to catch everything in the Rebel kit, lure kit. That popper might end up being the hardest one. Looks like we're about to come up on a big pull, so I might be able to pull something out of there. Whoa! Whoa! What's wrong with you? Big old carp? What are you? Buffalo, maybe? I don't know. You okay? Barely breathing. How are you in this shallow of water? Whoa. Okay, give me a minute, bud. I know he is roughly 18 pounds. 18 something. Man, look at those gill plates in there. That's crazy. I'm gonna try to get him to some deeper water. I was gonna take him up there, but I don't want him to mess up my next fishing hole, but who knows. Oh, he's trying to swim. There we go. Come on, you got it. You got it. Oh, yeah. There we go. We got him. We got him go. We got him go. Yeah. He ain't got a big pull, but he's going. No, don't go to the shallow. You're going to get stuck again. Well, he's going downstream. And I think he just got stuck. We're going to name him Tom. Got a name for him. Tom. Looks like he ran out of water again, Tom. Maybe don't do that. You gonna make it? Go, Tom. Tom's going. There he goes. There we go. There we go. Really cool. I think Tom would be just fine until he hits another shallow pool. Alright, back to what we were doing after doing that little rescue mission. Got the little Minnow crankbait on. See if that would get a bite. Hope. Oh, tried. Oh yeah, we're gonna get a bite on it. I don't know when or how. We're gonna get a bite on this lure. There we go. There we go. Got him. Got him, got him, got him. Yes. There we go. That is 3 out of 4. Oh, dropped him. There we go. Another one. Man, they're so pretty. I want to say, is that a, oh. See, another thing with sunfish is, like, I know what long gears kind of look like. You know, really long gear. And that looks like a long gear as well. I think there's just a lot of sunfish mating with each other and they make crazy combinations. That's what I think. I'm gonna use this crankbait a little more. It's got me some fish. There we go. Got a smallmouth. That's the next cast. There we go. There we go. Yes. Man, they're fired up in this hole. There we go. There's smallmouth. Set him back. Man, probably be good to get that popper out. Try to fish with it, but man, I'm just having fun with this little crankbait. Get in here, see if anything will eat it. Oh, there we go. Another one. Oh man, what is that? That's a bluegill. Little multi-species action. We got normal little blue. Well, we had a little bluegill. Cool. Oh, there we go again. Yes. That is a green sunfish. Catching a lot of different species. That's a green sunfish right there. Really cool. Let him back. Alright. We're gonna switch back to the popper. Alright, we've got the popper on, and if we catch a fish on this, we complete the Rebel kit. We're gonna go over here. Oh no, he hit it, and I don't know what was going through my mind. I think every time I use a topwater, I think of it as a frog, and you gotta let it sit for a second. That's what I did. bite this.
But I think I'll be alright, 'cause I'm not giving up yet. I feel that it's my time, so I'ma give it everything.
Oh, there we go. He hit the popper. Oh, we just gotta land him. Yes. Yes. He hit it. No, he's on this log. There's this little tree branch. Yes. 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 Little small mouse. Come on, come here. Yes. We completed the Rebel Lure Kit Challenge. Oh. Whew. Oh, that was a fun bite. That was awesome. Oh. He didn't make a big splash, but man, he tore it up. But that is something caught on every lure in the Rebel Lure Kit. Let him go. There we go. Oh, yes. Yes. I just saw Tom. He's up in this pool over here. He has all this to swim in. It's deep enough for him. And he come downstream and then went upstream. But my battery got hot, so I destroyed that footage. But he should be fine in this pool as long as he doesn't get taken down here. Even if he does get taken into here, he might find his way back. Alright guys, I hope y'all enjoyed that video. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up. It was a fun little challenge, and if you want me to do any more challenges, let me know and I'll try to find some more to do. But anyway guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in the next one.